Want to share the same post to your Instagram story and Facebook story without having to manually repost it? Watch this video to learn how to set your Instagram stories to automatically be shared to your Facebook story. Open Instagram and go to your profile page. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down and tap Accounts Center. Then select Your Story and Posts and select Story and Post Sharing. From here, you have your accounts which are logged in as well. So you just select one, share to, make sure it's your Facebook account, add it, turn it on, and turn it on. Right? From there, your Instagram story post automatically shared to your Facebook story. You can also opt out to automatically share your Instagram post to your profile if you like. Once this is set up, each time you post on your Instagram story, the post will automatically be shared with Facebook as well. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe for more tips.